Hi friends, today is September 1st and it is Tuesday. So let's check out what we've got going on today. So remember, these are our last 2 days of exploring our different tools like this. So I'm going to go to Tuesday because that's what today is. Ooh, looks like there's some new stuff in this classroom. So it says today is Tuesday, September 1st, 2020. Find the solid shapes and click on it for today's lesson. Solid shapes. Well, maybe it could be the cubes, but no, I've already done that lesson, so it can't be the cubes. Let me go back to Tuesday and try again. Could it be these? No, we've already done that lesson. Once you find it, that's going to be good, but I'm not going to find it for you. So I'm going to click it and pause my video, okay? And then I'll come back when I've already clicked the solid shapes. All right. I found the solid shapes and I'm on my lesson for the day. So it says geometric shapes. Click here. This is kind of cool. All right, so this is the website that it should be taking you to today. So I've got solid here and I want to make sure that stays in solid, and it says select a shape. So I can select any of these shapes that I want. It's starting on cube. I see there's also this octahedron. These are lots of different really cool shapes. And let's see what it's asking us to do. Select a shape at the top. Practice counting its faces, edges, and vertices. If you're having trouble, use the net button to open the shape up. Answer the questions on the exit ticket using the website. So I'm going to use a cube first. Actually, let's use this tetrahedron. It kind of looks like it's a pyramid, so let's pretend it says pyramid. And I want to show you this really cool tool that right now it's transparent, but I'm going to practice counting the faces of this solid shape. Now remember, the faces of the solid shape is a flat surface. So I see that this is a flat surface, so when I count it, I'm going to click the face. I clicked the face. So that's 1, and it's counting it for me over here too. 2, 3, 4. And I see that they're all colored in, so this pyramid has 4 faces. Now let's count the edges. The edges is when 2 faces meets together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. 4, 5, 6. Let's see if I missed any. Nope, I got them. So this shape, this pyramid, has 6 edges. Now let's count the vertices where 2 edges meet. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. And it looks like I've got them all. Now I want you to do the same thing with the cube. So I'm going to have you do the same thing at the cube, and then you're going to complete the exit ticket that you're going to see on your Google Classroom. Have fun! Oh, before I head off, I want to show you one more thing. If I go back to Tuesday, I find something else on the bottom. Optional, find the place value chart for extra exploration. And I'll just go ahead and tell you it's this one right here. And if you want to do some extra fun stuff today, then you can go to this and you can go to this cool place value chart and practice with gigantic numbers. And you can just start playing around with them. So this is 0. You can move these. So we got 2,000, 2,400, 2,480. And we're going to be using this tool later on too for you to use. So this is a really cool optional thing if you'd like to do that also. Okay, have fun today with your shapes and place value.